What are you thinking about? He just finished a 3-day fast. Who? Him. And so, you know he has anger issues. But he doesn't have hunger to hang the anger. Let's work on it. Yes. Come here. Sorry, let me call you.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Sorry, how may I help you guys? Nya. You know nothing, I go help you for this area. You pass here, see senior men mount this area. You know feel great. Sorry, is that why you called my attention? They follow this for talk, you see they use English. No, leave her. Abi, you won't collect. Nonsense. Abi, your mate. You dey mate? You dey mad? Hey, see, na Jesus I follow. No be Momo. I go clear you. You dey mad? Nonsense. Bros, abeg, mo dey go house.